Loads of people in forums are discussing whether to get a Dakin heat pump or a Cosy heat pump, and a lot of the people who are in the forums, especially Dakin owners, are saying don't get a Cosy because if Octopus go bankrupt or you leave Octopus Energy, you will have a useless heat pump. Well, this video we're going to be exploring both those options. What would happen if Octopus went bust and if you left Octopus, but also it's bigger choice to also consider this could happen to any company, even a Dakin heat pump. So we're going to be going through what would actually happen in both scenarios, but also regardless of which heat pump you want, Dakin or Cosy, there's a link at evnic.com/energy to split £200 off an Octopus Energy install. Plus, there's also a code if you're not an Octopus Energy customer to split £100 meat when you join Octopus Energy. So £150 up for grabs over at evnic.com/energy. Now we'll get back to the bankruptcy question later because the biggest question is what would happen if you left Octopus Energy and no longer took your electricity supply from them? Because out of all the scenarios, that's the most likely to happen than Octopus Energy going bust. Now, when I first got this heat pump installed by Octopus Energy, I interviewed TJ from Octopus Energy, who was in charge of the Cosy 6 rollout. And one thing he said to me is,
we hope you don't leave, but if you did get a Cosy heat pump, it does not lock you into Octopus for life.
You can go to another energy company, but you'd still have to use the Octopus Energy app to activate or move stuff in the heat pump. Now, this wouldn't be any different than if you bought any heat pump. You still have to use the manufacturer's app for controlling the heat pump. So that's nothing new there. But the one thing to discuss here is Octopus Energy have a little trick up their sleeve regarding the Cosy 6 because Octopus are quite a unique energy company in the fact they're very unique because they sell their systems to other competitors. Now, because this heat pump is built by Octopus Energy designed it with their needs in mind. Now, what I mean by that is energy companies know how the electricity market works way better than a heat pump manufacturer does. And because of this, Octopus know how they want a heat pump to work, how they want it to modulate, what kind of power responses they want it to do. Now, at the moment, the heat pump from Octopus Energy is currently relatively dumb, but it will be getting some smart upgrades through its software and also tariff integrations with Octopus Energy. Now, we'll move on to the moving supply bit in a minute, but what this basically means is there's probably going to be a very special Cosy 6/9 tariff just for Cosy Octopus Energy customers, so the Dakin systems won't include in this, that will make the heat pump work special and you'll get a special rate for that. So I expect that probably to come later in the year of 2025. It's been hinted at it loads, so I expect it to come soon. Now, because Octopus sell their billing systems to other companies, that's known as Kraken. Now, the Kraken billing system is the way Octopus decide how to buy and sell energy, and that's how the heat pump will be integrated into the Kraken system. Now, the Kraken system is sold to many Octopus competitors, including EDF, Good Energy, and E.ON. All these companies use the Kraken billing system, which means that if you did leave Octopus Energy and you happen to go to one of these Kraken partners, the chances are that those Kraken partners will also have the same access to the Cosy 6 controls as an Octopus Energy service does. So they'll be able to control that modulation with service integration and tariff differences. Expect that to come soon. But also, Octopus will fit a heat pump for even non-Octopus customers. So if you're not an Octopus customer, you can still have a Cosy heat pump even though you're not taking energy off them. So they're quite happy for this to be an ongoing hardware for other customers. But Octopus are also the founding member of something called Mercury. Now, I've done a video of that top right. I do reckon check that out, which means that in the future, the Cosy will more than likely be one of the first heat pumps that's Mercury enabled, meaning that other energy companies may also be able to control the smarts inside the Cosy. So bankruptcy, let's split it into two parts. Let's first talk about why it's highly unlikely that Octopus Energy will go bust, because not only is it currently the UK's largest energy provider in terms of connected meters, they overtook British Gas, who used to famously hold the monopoly in England for being the largest supplier. Now, this is all from a company that didn't exist just a decade ago. Now, what's even more crazy about that is they have multiple country operations and they sell that billing system and multiple operations to places all over the world. So from America to Japan, there is Octopus Energy there, even sold to their competitors in those countries. Now, it's also very well funded. There is basically pension funds and loads of investors, little bit investors all over the place, but major investors including the American and Japanese. Now, if you're buying any product with the thought that it might go bust, then you wouldn't buy anything. Nothing you own in your home would, if you bought it, any smart home product, going, oh, that's going to go bust. Microsoft computers, tablets, Apple phones, I mean, they all have the likelihood that the chance of any company going bust is highly unlikely when they get to these levels, but it still exists and you wouldn't buy any products. But not only that, it also applies to any heat pump you might buy. What would happen to any other heat pump if they went bust? However, in the past, some energy companies have decided they would make a product, might be a smart camera system or thermostat system, something like that, and then decided to stop supporting it. British gas. So let's say that happened to Octopus. Octopus suddenly decided they weren't going to support the Cosy anymore. They weren't going to make it anymore. First of all, let me tell you, from the many, many, many years of me knowing Octopus internally, staff that have worked there, staff that have left, staff that then come back, staff that talk about them, the Greg Jackson, their CEO, what I can tell you about Octopus is the customer comes first. Well, the staff come first. They look after the staff first, but the customer is an important thing for them. They really honestly care about customer feedback. That's why they win Which Best Provider every year, because they want to do the right thing for the customer. So even if they stop making the Cosy heat pump, even if they decided to stop manufacturing it, they would carry on supporting existing Cosy owners until probably the last Cosy stopped working. Even if there was just one Cosy customer left, they would carry on supporting it. It's just the mantra of Octopus Energy. It's the way they are. But let's just say that the chance of them suddenly deciding not to do the Cosy anymore is ridiculously stupid, because they've invested millions of pounds. They bought out Red Heat Pumps, the factory in Belfast, to start building the heat pumps. You don't build a factory in the UK for something that's just a project idea. They want to build heat pumps. They've invested millions in training centres, buying heat pumps, designing it. It's not going to go anywhere, because products that do tend to go out of service like this are built in random Chinese factories that can just start and stop whenever. This is a multi-million-pound investment from Octopus, so it's not just suddenly going to stop. And again, even if they did, Octopus mantra would be support you till you are the last customer and you finish using it. But if they did go bust, are you essentially left with a heavy paperweight outside or a new grit bin? Well, essentially, short term, yes. If Octopus went completely bust and the app would stop working and you would stop being able to edit some controls. Now, you can do some of it difficultly through the local engineer app, but eventually, short term, you'd have a useless heat pump. However, there is a way around that, which is the same around any other heat pump. You just take out the Cosy hub and the Cosy pods, and you fit a new controller, a new thermostat in that place, and it will operate the heat pump just as any other thermostat would, because it uses a Modbus system. Now, no one makes one at the moment for Cosy at the moment, because Cosy is so new, but also it's the really, really clever systems. People make systems for ones that are awful manufacturer systems. They'll make systems that replace the ones that exist, but Octopus is a good one. But if Octopus did go bust, someone would make it, because there'd be a demand to make it, but there's no demand for it, so it's not going to be made. But from a friend I know who's played with the Modbus, he says there's nothing hidden or there secretly. It's all very open, very easy to work out how the Modbus works on there. So yes, someone could make a replacement thermostat for your Cosy and control it absolutely as normal. So again, the chances of Octopus going bust is remote, very, very remote. And the other thing to remember is, even if Octopus filled every single home in the UK with a Cosy heat pump and they no longer had to sell any more, everything internally is off the shelf mainly, apart from the PCB, but a lot of the stuff inside the Cosy is off the shelf. It could easily be repaired by anyone else. And it's also worth noting that Octopus have other income streams. So if they stop making heat pumps because they sold everyone a heat pump and they didn't need to make any more. They still have income coming in, so they're not going to go bankrupt because they can't make heat pumps anymore. The company would still exist. And again, this would apply to any heat pump manufacturer. Any company can go bankrupt, and you really shouldn't go into the mantra of buying any product going, oh, what if they go bust? Because you just wouldn't buy anything. You just wouldn't. Now, if you're interested in seeing that interview I did with TJ, check out this video here. And if you want to learn more about Mercury that I spoke about before, check out this video here.